Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing the right canvas and permissions because structure saves time. Sign in, create a new board, and set orientation, 16:9 for presentations, square for mood boards. Next, add a minimal grid and 3 anchor items, title, objective, and deadline. Once done, invite collaborators with specific rights, view, comment, or edit. This prevents chaos. Make sure to name key areas now, because later rework is costly and slows momentum. Start with clarity and keep control. You now populate the board with content, and you do it fast but organized. Add images, sticky notes, shapes, and links. Label everything so context is immediate. Use layers and a 3-5 color scheme to indicate status, priority, or ownership. This reduces confusion. Once items exist, run short, 10-20-minute sprints, review changes, prune or merge duplicates, and refine placement. Make sure to use comments for decisions, because a clear audit trail avoids repeated discussions and keeps progress moving forward. You finish by locking down the essentials and exporting the outcome. Lock final sections, then export as PDF, PNG, or create a shareable link with the resolution you need. Before you share, run a quick QA, test links, alignments, and collaborator visibility. If something goes wrong, try reverting to a prior version, clearing the app cache, or re-inviting teammates. These 3 fixes resolve most sync or permission errors. Finally, document one decision summary on the canvas so everyone knows the outcome and next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.